Hello everyone, this is Captain Elevator 42189 here to show you this late 1980s, early 1990s Hunter Innova Ceiling fan. And as you can see, this is a pretty nice unit. It definitely has that original classic design. So as you can see, it also has the 5-blade propeller, as well as the copper metal finish, the thin profile high output disc motor, and the round semicircular light globe. Right there are the pull chain switches. The light switch on the left, the fan switch on the right, and over here is the reversing switch. So with that being said, let's look at the light. It has two 10-watt LED light bulbs in there that give off the same amount of light as two 60-watt incandescent bulbs. They were originally tungsten GE incandescent bulbs. Now they're GE LEDs. And now comes the fan switch, starting with the high speed. It definitely has a nice whooshing sound effect. It's the top part of the fan. It also sounds a little bit like an airplane propeller. And it certainly belts out a lot of air. Now let's reverse it. It's a little slower than usual, but it still is powerful enough. Alrighty. Now it's time for the medium speed. So this is the medium speed with standard airflow. It's a little quieter than the high speed. The airflow is a little weaker, but it's still strong enough airflow, but a little quieter. Now comes the medium speed with reverse airflow. It's pretty quiet. And it also has a unique warbling sound due to the axial rotor flow of the unique motor with this fan. And now it's time for the low speed with the reverse airflow. It's barely any airflow. But since the fan is turning slower, looking at the fan blades are a little more obvious. Now comes the low speed with the standard airflow. On the low speed, it takes longer for it to accelerate. You can even see the unique design of the switches. A light bulb and a fan, both of which have the signature Hunter H logo. So altogether, when the fan is spinning counterclockwise and is providing downward airflow, it's got a more powerful airflow distribution than it is when it goes in the reverse direction, clockwise, with upward airflow. And now it's time to turn the fan off. The blades on here are really nice, where they have the straight profile design with the semicircular rounded edges, and they appear to be made out of either cherry or walnut. Probably walnut, since it's got a darker wood tone. Here it is, coming to a stop. Takes a long time for it to wind down, but it's almost there. So there you have it, my late 1980s, early 1990s Hunter Innova Ceiling fan. And with that being said, thank you very much.